Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amanda and I'm with Makeup by Amanda, and today we're going to be doing unboxing of Boxy-Charm Premium. I do get a base box, but my base box is not here yet. It will probably be here either by Monday or a little sooner than that, hopefully. But for some reason they're like off schedule with the times of the boxes, so I have not received it yet. For anyone that doesn't know about Boxy-Charm, Boxy-Charm is a subscription-based service that you get monthly. They have a $25 service where you can get professional products from them, and it's 4 to 5 products every month. And then they have Boxy Premium, which is $35 a month, where you get either 6 to 7 items, I think it is. And then they have a Boxy Luxe, which is $49.99 a month. But that's only every 3 months you get that, and that would replace your Boxy-Charm base box. You do have to have the Boxy-Charm base box to have that, but to have Boxy Premium you do not have to. I have both. I actually have all 3, but the next box for Boxy Luxe will be in June. So today we're going to be opening the Boxy-Charm Premium box. So if you want to stick around and see what I got, then stay tuned. Alright, so here's my box. The weight on my box does not say it here, but let's open it. I already did cut the tape off because it's so annoying. I do have a card in here, so this is what the inside looks like. It's blue, Boxy-Charm Premium, and they have a theme every month. This one is Mother Nature, probably for Mother's Day, so that's the Boxy-Charm. I do have box number 46. It tells you with the little heart in the corner, if you can see that. Okay, so that's good. I do have a card, and it looks like I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items this month. So we're just gonna go with the first thing that I see in here, which is the something from Paddington, which I believe this is a brush set. Yep, it's a brush set. It says on the back. So for Boxy Premium, you're supposed to get about a $175 value of products a month for $35. So we'll add them up at the end, but these retail for $90, and it says this high performance powder and contour brush set is an excellent addition to your makeup accessories experience and transformative power of contouring with the only brush you'll ever need to sculpt, enhance, and define like a pro. These are $90, and there's only 2 brushes. They're not even that heavy. They just look like that. They say Paddington on the side. So this would be the contour brush or foundation brush or whatever. It probably would be a foundation brush. And then this one is more of like a powdery brush. Might use it for like blush or something like that. I mean, they're nice. Would I spend $90? No, but those are nice to have. So I'm happy with that. The next thing I seen here is from Milk Makeup. I love this brand. And I got this, what is it? Glow Lip and Cheek Oil. A sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint for a lit form within glow on the go. Antioxidant rich rice brown oil provides skin with a surge of hydration and vitamins for an instant good for you glow. Wear on your cheeks as a glowy blush or lips as a porcelain stain. Color payoff builds as you swipe. Mini size fits in your bag. So normally we get all full-size products in all of the Boxy-Charm boxes, but this is a mini. It does retail for $15, and it is a good size. I mean, it's not like a small size, and I got the shade Glimmer. I don't really like oils on my cheeks. It's got this like plastic thing. Maybe I have to, yeah, twist and it comes off, Amanda. Okay, so it looks like that. I will put it on my lips, I guess. I mean, it is very nice of a oil. Like, I feel like it's hydrating. And it has a little bit of tint to it. But it's definitely very, very sheer. Something I probably wouldn't wear alone. Definitely probably a good lip oil, because I do like lip oils that aren't like in an oil form, like, you know what I mean, like this is more of a stick. So I'll definitely get some use out of that. It smells good too, so that's good. And like I said, that retails for $15. The next thing I seen here is the Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud Lip Balm. So Tarte has a sister brand and it's called Sugar Rush. And this is their sister brand, but it is a Tarte product and they are cruelty free and vegan. So this one is in the shade Peony and it says Lip Butter Balm. So you'll have the real MVP with this hydrating butter lip balm. Your lips will look as good as your perfectly created IG feed. So this retails for $12 and it has the cutest little packaging. Like, it has like a yellow rose or something on it and it just says Sugar Rush. And this is just a lip balm, so it looks like it's nude and it smells so good. It smells like vanilla with like chocolate. I don't know. I'm not going to put that on because I put the lip oil, but definitely will use that because my lips have been going through it. I don't know what's going on, but they've been going through it. And that retails for $12. So that's a good size for $12. Alright, and then the next thing I see is this Kevyn Aucoin, the Expert Mascara. And this mascara retails for $29 and it says, the Expert Mascara has weightless formula that's buildable and leaves lashes to their fullest and while being soft to their touch even after multiple applications. It is formulated with Japanese camellia oil and fortify lashes and makes them more elastic and resilient. So this is the mascara. I like the packaging. It's just really simple. And we will open it up to see the wand. And it is a curvy wand, which is interesting. I usually use like the Better Than Sex, so it has just like the straight kind of out wand, so I will try that out. I don't usually do mascara on its own. I usually use just liquid. I usually just put on lashes, but we will try that out for $29. That's not bad. And then the next thing I've seen here is this Pure Heals by Nature Valley. Centella 90 Ampoule Serum. A soothing serum contains 90% of Centella aesthetics extract, relieves irritation of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. The serum contains, I can't even say any of these names, Carmyl 3, which helps strengthen damaged skin, moisture barrier, and keeps your skin clear from the external environment. So this is a big bottle. This retails for $28 and it looks like that. Classy packaging. We're gonna see what it smells like. Oh, it's like citrusy, but it almost smells like tea tree. So it says, after cleansing, even out skin tone with a toner and then apply a moderate amount of the product onto the face. It says it relieves irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. So this says skin irritation test completed. So it looks like it's sensitive skin. It looks like it's good for sensitive skin and it's supposed to help the skin work out. It does smell like tea tree. There is no tea tree in the product. I have looked. It does say if you experience red spots, swelling, itchiness, or irritations when using the product, or when the skin is exposed to direct sunlight after product, consult dermatologist. Do not use on open wounds, eczema, or dermatitis. Handling and storage precautions, keep out of reach and keep out of direct sunlight. But it doesn't look like anything bad. So I will try that out. I will see if it makes a difference. I'm not really sure what it's supposed to do, but I mean, like, I guess it says it's supposed to help with irritation and sensitive skin and strengthening it. So I guess we'll try that out and we'll see how that works. So that's the Pure Heals by Nature Village, sorry. Okay, and then the last product I see in here I'm super excited about is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate. So it says, where is it? Concentrated to target the appearance of tired eyes, puffiness, bags, dark circles, and signs of aging. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate has been perfected through decades of research to hydrate, nourish, and rejuvenate the delicate eye contour. So this is an eye cream. It's full size. After cleansing your face, use Truffle Therapy on your ring finger to apply generous amount of Truffle Eye Therapy Concentrate under eyes, recommended going upwards towards the temples and brow bone. Use twice daily, recommended for all skin types. So it says Hello Bright Eyes on here. This retails alone for $66. So this on its own makes for the box. Like, eye creams are so expensive, and like I get why, but like I don't get why at the same time. Like, you can buy a whole huge moisturizer for like that has like 5 ounces and then get this has 0.5 fluid ounces in it, and it retails for $66. So this makes the box for me. Oh, it actually smells pretty good too. Don't really know what that smell is, but it does smell good. But it looks like that, and I'm excited for that. I will do that when I do my skincare. I mean, I already have my moisturizer on, but I'm not going to do that on the thing. But I'm really excited. Okay, that's everything I got in the box, and I'm actually really pleased with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to total it up now. So we have the Kevin Aucoin Mascara for $29. The Eye Concentrate for $66. The Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Glow for $15. Those are really expensive brushes for $90. The Tarte Sugar Rush for $12. And the Pure Heals Serum for $28. So that makes the box $240. To me, that's insane that brushes would be $90 for 2 little brushes. I mean, I am excited to use them. They're very soft, don't get me wrong. Like, definitely will use them, but I would not have purchased them on my own, which is why I love Boxy-Charm, because I spent $35 on this box and got 6 really expensive, nice items for $35. And I can't wait for my base box to come because I like to compare the two, but I wanted to do a video comparing them, but they didn't come at the same time and I didn't want to wait, so because I'm impatient, so that's why we didn't do that. But overall, really pleased with this box. I like that I didn't get like an eyeshadow palette or anything like that this month, because I'm really trying to focus on my skincare routine, and I have so much eyeshadow, it's insane. Like, and I have so much coming this week. Like, there's going to be a lot of hauls being uploaded this week because I do have a lot of stuff, and next week too coming in that I ordered specifically because I wanted to do things for the channel. So hopefully those will be up sooner than later. But let me know what you think. If you are a Boxy-Charm member, let me know. If you're not, let me know. If you've tried them and aren't anymore, then let me know why. And let me know what box you got and what combination you got down below in the comments. If you have anything you want me to review more of, you can just let me know. It's hard for me to review skincare products until you've used them for at least 2 weeks. So I will give you an update on that. Just let me know if there's anything else that you would like me to put in my next video, and hopefully the next Boxy-Charm will be here soon so that I can compare the 2 boxes a little bit with you guys, because I'll keep the card. But like I said, $240 of products for $35 is ridiculously insane, and I will use all of these products, so I'm not mad at all. Let me know if you guys, like I said, let me know what box you guys got in the comments. And if you want to sign up, I will leave the link down below. You do have to sign up for base box before you get a premium box, and then go on the wait list. That's just how it works. But then after you get approved for premium, you can cancel the base box. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comments. Please like, subscribe, and press that little notification bell so you get all the notifications when I do upload a video, which is 3 to 4 times a week. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day and are staying safe. Have a great day, guys. Bye.